My name is Jusan Huang, and then this is my Gemini AI project. For the project overview, I did the interactive chatbot using Google Gemini AI that are provided personalized soccer training advice, and then the objective was to create user-friendly chatbot that are first tailored to based on the user age and their name. So the technology I used are Google Gemini AI for the chatbot's intelligence, and then Streamlit for the user interface, and then Vertex AI for model deployment, and then Python backend logic. Here's a brief look at the code structure. First, we initialize the credential and set up Vertex AI. We then configured the generated model with the specific temperature setting. The user inputs their name, age, which we captured through text inputs in the Streamlit. For the functionality, the code of our functionality lies in the LLM function. This function sends the user's query to the chat session and retrieves the responses. We also have an initial prompt that greets the user and provides tailored tips based on their age. So for the user interface, we built it in Streamlit, allowing for a smooth chat experience. We displayed the chat message between the user and the model and captured new user queries during the text field. So the chatbot is particularly useful for several reasons. It offers personalized training, providing age-specific tips to enhance training efficiency. The interactive format makes learning more engaging. It provides professional soccer advice with the needs of physical coach. For the user experience perspective, the chatbot offers the intuitive and clean interface. The responses are personalized, making user feel recognized. Technically, the robust backend powered by Google Gemini ensures accurate and powerful responses. With Streamlit provides seamless user experiences. So now I'm gonna show the actual demo of the code. First, we run the Python. It's loading. So first we enter our name, which just type any. And after that, it will pop up the input page that you just need to type the age. So let's say I'm like 9 years old. So it's running currently, so you just have to wait. So the Gemini start greeting says hi Jusan, which was the input, and then I had a specific instruction that the Gemini itself is the professional player, and then had a lot of opportunities to play and experience best coaches in the world. And then right here it says, since I'm 9 years old, it'll focus on fundamental of depends on the age of yourself. So let's say now I wanna do some query that's like tell me if I wanted to increase strength. So it's gonna start running it. So if you see the output here, it says since you're 9 years old, it is important for focus on overall athleticism since you're young. So it's saying rather than lifting heavy weights, because lifting heavy weights can decrease your heights and then you can hurt yourself when you're really young. So the Gemini recommends the exercise that is based on the age. So such as push-ups, squats, lunges that doesn't need any weights, something like that. So it very focuses on the age of the users. So if you wanna increase past vision, so it will run again. So it's gonna tell vision on the soccer field. And then the cool thing is about that when the user type like a past vision or something, any query, it knows that's specific in soccer field because in if you're using ChatGPT before, you might ask pass or something like dribble, it might just pops up as a basketball. But since in the code, the AI actually remember the chat history and then append it, so it knows it's talking about soccer. And yeah, that's it. That was my project, and thanks.